Hello everyone. How are you all? Good. Very good. Dear students, did you read the chapter number 4, The Throne of Judgment? Did you understand both the stories? How they related with each other? Good. How many times did you read? Oh, students, did you understand about King Bhoj? Why he was not able to sit in the throne of justice? Get. Students, what we will do today, we will go through the exercises because chapter we have already understood, yes or no? So we will go through the exercise from comprehensions and from grammar also. So for that you listen properly, and watch this video very carefully. So exercise number A, answer these questions answer you have already written in your copy. Am I right? Okay. Now, question number B. Say how you know that. These questions we will do in orally. You can listen properly. Um, no need to write in your copy. So, first number is King Vikramaditya was a clever king. How do you know? Tell me. आपको कैसे पता है कि ये विक्रमादित्य एक क्लेवर किंग था? Yes, means you understood the chapter, you read the chapter, and you understand that King Vikramaditya was a strong and clever king. He judging pure people perfectly, and he never made any mistakes. That's why you know that he was a means very strong king. Second number is the shepherd boy become a famous. शेपर्ड बॉय जो थे वो मीन्स भेड़ चराने वाले वो कैसे फेमस हो गए थे ना व्हेन दैट ही वाज सॉल्विंग मीन्स गिविंग परफेक्टली solution by means from the problems. That time the nearest villages and cities people they came to know that that boy was giving nicely solution and they were satisfied also. That's why he became a famous. Okay, next is third number. King Bhoj wanted to be a wise ruler. King Bhoj जो थे वो wanted थे वो कि wise ruler वो ज्ञानी ruler क्यों बनना चाहते थे ना. He saw that a shepherd boy was means solution many problems the sitting up on the mount. So he also was feeling little bit greedy or little bit jealousy, and he thought that that King Vikramaditya's means throne must be buried in the, under the mount. That's why he thought that I will dig it and I will means get the means he wanted to be like a Vikramaditya. Okay, next fourth number is the shepherd boy was innocent. Shepherd boy जो थे वो बहुत ही सादा सीधे थे. How do you come to know that he was very innocent? Yes, he means when we saw that King Bhoj when he was digging the mound, that time the shepherd boy did not say anything. Yes, and he got the throne with the help of digging means his people, so that and he brought it in his kingdom. That time that shepherd boy did not say anything. He didn't know even anything. Means none of the people then were knowing about the King Vikramaditya and about his throne of justice. Okay, next fifth number is those who were unworthy could not sit on King Vikramaditya throne. When the King Bhoj got the throne of Vikramaditya and he brought it in his kingdom, and he after 3 days praying he when he wanted to see it, that time the 32 stone fairies came there, and they were telling that you are not unworthy. I mean, you are not viswasi, आप trustworthy नहीं हो. That's why you will unable to sit on King Vikramaditya's throne. Now, dear students, look at the grammar part. Okay, read these sentences. Vikramaditya ruled his kingdom wisely. The workmen dug up the throne carefully, and the king answered truthfully. These sentences are the sorry, these sentence are from your chapters. And what, look at the highlighted words. Look at the highlighted words, that wisely, carefully, and trustworthy. What these words? These words are telling. Now the words in color are above of manner. Sorry, adverb of manner. We use these words to say how action are done. The children finish their work quickly. Dear students, from this grammar session, you will learn about adverb. You have already learned about verb. What is verb? Verb is an action. Verb एक action है. Okay. And what is adverb? Now adverb is the words that describing more about verb. adverb एक words होते हैं जो verb के बारे में मीन्स more describe करते हैं, है ना. So now look at it that students, I will make a video in your grammar session about adverbs. At that time I will explain it, what is adverb, or how many types of adverbs are there. Because of that, means in your session, in your grammar exercises are given in about adverb, so we need to do but I'm going to explain it carefully, but you also listen very carefully, then you will understand it. Look at here. Now read these sentences. Many years ago Ujjain was well known city. Many years ago, बहुत मीन्स कुछ सालों के पहले की बात है. उज्जैन क्या थे? एक वेल नोन सिटी थी. Soon people got to know about the shepherd boy. Soon. So ago and soon, in these two sentences, two words, what is showing? Na, it do two sentences showing the time. Okay, so the words in color adverb of time, we use these words to say when the action happened or will happen. ये action कब हुआ था और कब होने वाले हैं. So ये इनको हम adverb of टाइम कहते हैं. देयर आर 7 types of adverbs. So adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of manner, adverb of degree, adverb of frequency, and interrogative adverb and relative adverbs. These 7 adverbs we will learn in our further classes. Here you will learn the adverb of time, means how the action means has done, and when the action will done. Okay, so look at the exercise. Choose the correct adverb of manner of time from the box to complete. You from this grammar session, you keep in your mind that adverb is a verb of describing of verb. जो verb को describe करते हैं वो उसको हम एडवर्ब बोलते हैं. और मीन्स वो कैसे करते हैं, हाउ दैट एक्शन इज डूइंग, व्हेन द एक्शन इज डूइंग, एंड वेयर द एक्शन इज डूइंग. दीज आर द showing the adverb. So first number is Rajat spoke softly because he did not want to disturb his sisters. Students, look, some words are given in the box, and from those words you take and fill in the blanks. So first number has done for you. Second number is Rasmi is invited to her friends पार्टी डैश इवनिंग. रश्मि ने क्या किया, उनके फ्रेंड्स को इनवाइट किया. कब किए थे? इवनिंग में. which word will come here? Not tomorrow will come here. In second number, tomorrow. Now Rashmi is invited to her friend's party tomorrow evening. Third number is walk down the stairs dash, don't rush or you might fall. So what will come here? Now slowly will come here. Now walk down the stairs slowly means आपको slowly walk करना है, otherwise you might fall. Fourth number में we will go to the post office dash to buy stamps. अब हम क्या करेंगे, पोस्ट ऑफिस जाएंगे, किस लिए? ना स्टैम्प खरीदनी है. सो व्हाट वी विल कम? ना टुडे विल कम. फोर्थ नंबर में टुडे. नेक्स्ट इज she dash stepped into the haunted house. What will come here? Fifth number में. Now fifth number will come bravely. She, I mean, bravely stepped into the haunted house. Okay. Next is last number. Which one is remaining? Na loudly. The children cheered loudly when their team won the match. Okay, students, look it. Commence exercise number B. Choose the correct adverbs of place to complete these sentences. यहाँ पे आपका कुछ ऑप्शन दिया गया है जिनको लेके आपको ये ब्लैंक्स को फिल करना है. दिस वन यू डू एट योर होम इन योर कॉपी मीन्स एज ए होमवर्क. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन द exercise number A from vocabulary. Find these correct words from the text to complete these sentences. Okay. When something is done very well and nothing is wrong about it, we say that it has been done perfectly. 9 letters are there. It has done for you. Now I'm going to read the second number. A person who looks after sheep is called a shepherd. What will come here? Shepherd. You take the spelling of shepherd from your text and write it. Third number, when someone is happy with something one has done, one is dash with one's own work. थर्ड नंबर में क्या आएगा? सेटिस्फाइड. जब एक पर्सन मीन्स उनके वर्क्स मीन्स उसके वर्क से बहुत खुश होते हैं, वो सेटिस्फाइड हो जाते हैं ना. सो थर्ड में क्या आएगा? सेटिस्फाइड. ओके, आई विल से द स्पेलिंग. यू लिसन प्रॉपर्ली. सेटिस्फाइड. SATISFIED. satisfied. Got it, dear? Now fourth number. Small area of land ruled by kings or queens are called. जो मीन्स एक छोटा सा एरिया होते हो और किंग राजा और रानियों के द्वारा मीन्स रूल किया होते हैं, उनको क्या बोलते हैं? किंगडम. आई एम गोइंग टू से द एक्सप्लेन प्लीज. सॉरी, स्पेलिंग प्लीज लिसन प्रॉपरली. KINGDOMS. किंगडम्स. Fifth number and fifth and last number. Something that is untouched by anything bad is dash. What will come here? Na pure. PURE. Dear students, I think enough for today's video, and next remaining parts we will do the next session, and you have understood also about your homework. Okay, so thank you. Have a good day.